Introduction. Welcome back to Something Talk 1. In today's video, we're going to explore how beginners can start using artificial intelligence, or AI, in their daily lives. AI is becoming more prevalent, and it's easier than ever to incorporate it into our routines. Let's dive in and discover the amazing ways AI can make our lives easier and more efficient. What is AI? Before we get started, let's quickly define what AI is. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. AI can perform tasks such as recognizing speech, understanding natural language, making decisions, and even solving complex problems. 1. AI in personal assistance. One of the most accessible ways to start using AI in your daily life is through personal assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. These AI-powered assistants can help you with various tasks such as setting reminders, sending messages, checking the weather, and even controlling smart home devices. To get started, simply activate your assistant on your smartphone or smart speaker and start giving commands. 2. AI in smart home devices. AI has revolutionized the way we interact with our homes. Smart home devices like smart thermostats, smart lights, and smart security cameras use AI to learn your preferences and automate tasks. For example, a smart thermostat can learn your temperature preferences and adjust automatically to save energy. To start, you can invest in a few smart home devices and connect them to a central hub or your smartphone for easy control. 3. AI in health and fitness. AI is also making waves in the health and fitness industry. Wearable devices like fitness trackers and smartwatches use AI to monitor your health metrics, such as heart rate, sleep patterns, and activity levels. AI-powered apps can provide personalized workout plans, track your progress, and even offer dietary recommendations. Simply sync your wearable device with the health app and start tracking your fitness journey. 4. AI in personalized recommendations. Ever wondered how streaming services like Netflix or Spotify always seem to know what you want to watch or listen to next? That's AI at work. These platforms use AI algorithms to analyze your preferences and provide personalized recommendations. To take full advantage, engage with these platforms by rating content and creating playlists. The more you interact, the better the AI will understand your preferences. 5. AI in online shopping. AI is transforming the online shopping experience. E-commerce platforms like Amazon use AI to recommend products based on your browsing history and purchase patterns. Chatbots are also becoming common in customer service, providing instant assistance with queries and order tracking. To get started, explore the recommendation sections on your favorite shopping sites and interact with chatbots for quick help. 6. AI in language learning. Language learning apps like Duolingo and Babbel use AI to personalize your learning experience. These apps adapt to your learning pace and provide targeted exercises to improve your skills. AI also helps with pronunciation by analyzing your speech and offering corrections. To start, download a language learning app and commit to daily practice. 7. AI in finance management. AI-powered finance apps can help you manage your money more effectively. Apps like Mint and Inab use AI to track your spending, create budgets, and provide insights into your financial habits. Some apps even offer investment advice based on market trends. To get started, link your bank accounts to a finance app and start tracking your expenses. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI is no longer a futuristic concept, it's a part of our everyday lives, making tasks easier, more efficient, and personalized. By integrating AI-powered tools and apps into your daily routine, you can enhance productivity, improve your health, and enjoy a more connected lifestyle. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Something Talk 1 for more exciting content. See you next time.